So today I had to chase down the UPS man because I've been waiting on this package for 2 weeks now. I'm so stoked that it's here. We got 2 boxes right here, and it's, if y'all been following me, you know that I'm getting an influencer edition clipper. And
look, I just flipped the switch.
And right here we got 2 boxes of them bad boys. So I don't know how many are in each box, but we're gonna open this up when we get home. I'm just so stoked and overwhelmed right now, but man, I'm lit. So I haven't opened the box yet, but I thought I'd do it with my mom and dad here. So this is the first unveiling, and we're gonna see what we got in here. I'm excited.
The snake.
Here we go, guys. Let's take the first one out. There it is. All individually wrapped. So we got 20 in here, and I'm gonna do an unboxing and let you guys see what the clipper's all about, and want to get some shipped off to some of my closest colleagues in the business and let them do an unboxing and review on it as well. So a huge shout out to TPOB. I'm just extremely humbled to be able to have my name on a box of 1,000 tools. It's crazy to me. It's still surreal. It still hasn't sunk in yet, but I'm just extremely humbled, and this is crazy. I'm so stoked right now, but there it is. I don't know if you can see it there. Jayblends. That's crazy.
The first one goes to who?
The first one goes to me. Yes, thank you.
Flip it too. Dang. That's crazy.
I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. Just kidding.
I'm so tempted to open one. Let's open yours just to be curious. What's good, everybody? So we're back at the crib now. I got my handy dandy scissors here. We got the Troll clipper with the actual plastic on. We're gonna get it unwrapped and go through what's on the box and unbox this for y'all so you can see firsthand what we got going on with the Jayblends Influencer Edition Troll. Like I said, I'm just extremely humble, but we're gonna hop into this, and I'm gonna let you guys get a sneak peek at what to expect. These should be dropping late September. I'm just super humbled. Like I said, I'm still in shock, still in awe that your boy has Jayblends on a clipper. So that's just dope in itself. So I appreciate everybody who's been supporting the channel, supporting the brand, supporting my IG, watching the content, and just been here for the long haul. So let's get into the box and see what we got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slice this bad boy open, and then we will get to the unboxing portion of this after I read you guys what's on the box. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open here. I don't think I made a good enough slice. Let's do this one more time here. And hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog formatted unboxing. You know, I told my wife that I'm gonna try to find the UPS guy, and I was on my way to take my kids to Baskin Robbins to go get some ice cream, and I got to the light before I get onto the highway, and lo and behold, I see the UPS guy at GameStop. So I hurry up and, you know, cut across traffic and try to get over there to GameStop and get to the UPS driver. He was super helpful, super nice dude, and pulled up my order, and he told me that he did have it on his truck. So I was just extremely grateful that he was willing to work with me. But we got the plastic off here, and on the box here it is right here, the Troll clipper, the TPOB Troll high performance and high torque digital motor, 6800 RPM, 45mm graphite fade blade, 0 gap adjustable, 5D10 all metal taper arm, and it gives you all the measurements there. 8 comb guards, so you have 8 guards in there. Cuts easily through hair with just a simple slide. Simple sized body at 17.2 centimeters length and lightweight at 320 grams. DLC fade blade offers sharpest cut yet, and it's stays cooler and rust free for longer. Ergonomic design to have balanced weight and comfortable use while still offering low noise level and superior performance. So like I always say, you can go to thepissedoffbarber.com, use code Jayblends to save yourself 15% off. Also go follow the Pissed Off Barber on IG. And here we have on the side, we have the troll artwork. There are the troll branding, TPOB branding there. On the other side, you get the troll TPOB branding. And on the front side here, we have the TPOB troll clipper. The box is extremely professional as always. We got the TPOB troll there. The clipper's actually there. It's a more glossy type finish, as the rest of the box is more matte. And then we have 240 minutes of runtime. We have a super torque motor, DLC fade blade. And what's dope about this is you'll see on the blade, we'll get to that portion next, but you got Jayblends there on the side. And for me, the color scheme has a lot to do with two different things in my life and why I chose black and gray. And we'll get into that deeper into this video, but let's go ahead and open it up. We'll slide this box open here and you can see all the iconic TPOB cartoon artwork that comes on every single clipper that comes out with TPOB. So take a minute and go check out the cartoon artwork. You can go follow Antisocial Barber Club on IG, and there's a bunch of different artwork and stuff on there. But here is the troll. Before we get into the actual clipper, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside here, and we will get to what's underneath inside the box. So underneath the box, we have our accessories here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let you guys see what's on the bottom. So of course, with every clipper, you're going to have your guards. You're going to have all your different accessories. So we have the green slime guards. Now TPOB asked me, like, what color guards you want? And you know, I got to pick the color scheme, and I was like, you know what, let's just go with the OG slime. You know, slime, the lime green is iconic to the brand, and I wanted it to be true to the brand still, and you know, have my little slice of personality in it as well. And you know, I'm just extremely humbled to even have gotten the opportunity to do this. So got the slime guards, half through a 6 guard, and then on the inside here we got your oil. Of course, you have your USB charging cord, and it charges anywhere that you can put a block. So if you're in the UK, you get a USB block for their UK system, or anywhere in the world, you can charge it through USB. So you could buy this and get a charging block for the US plug. Same thing, works there. You have your oil as always, and then you also have your cleaning brush. So at the very bottom, of course, you have your user manual, and we're just gonna throw all this back in there. And I'll take one guard out so you can see how it fits on the actual clipper. I'm gonna throw the oil back in there, the brush, and get to the actual clipper. So this is what I am extremely excited about to show y'all. So we will get to that here. So last but not least, we have our troll clipper. We got the gray color scheme there. And we also have your clipper blade cover. I'm gonna go ahead and toss it aside. And there is the clipper. Look at that, 5 clicks. Very easy to use. Got your finger grooves here, ergonomic, and we won't even get to that yet. But you got a TPOB branding, and then also, let's go ahead and turn it on and give you a sound test. Very, very quiet clipper. I really love the troll clipper. I've been using it, as you've seen in my videos on YouTube and Instagram. I'm very, very fond of this clipper, and I'm very fond of the fade blade we got on there now too. So I'm extremely excited to actually get this in the shop and use it. I'm gonna have to keep it in the office for sure too, just to be on display. But last but not least, look at the blade there. You can see that right there. We got the Jayblends on the actual fade blade. Man, that looks so dope. So that is your boy's logo there. I'm just extremely, you know, humbled that, man, look at that. Let me focus in on this right here. So you got the Jayblends on the box, and then you got the Jayblends on the fade blade there. Jayblends. I never in my wildest dreams would have thought that we would be where we are at right now. So like I said, I'm gonna have to get a box here and throw it up on my wall of TPOB over here. But like I said, I'm just extremely humbled for this opportunity, this chance to be able to have an influencer edition clipper with such a great brand. You know, TPOB has just been constantly on the rise and doing a lot of things in the barber business. So I know if you guys haven't bought the other influencer edition, it's Dr. Barber. Go follow him on IG. Great work, great content creator. He has the Ghost X influencer edition, the Ice Ghost X edition. So go check that out. I'll leave that in the link somewhere. But I'm just, you know, I'm just humbled. You know, it's crazy that you know, you got a barber looking out for barbers. So that's just something that I feel is extremely dope. There it is right there, Jayblends on the blade. And then, like I was telling you about the gray color scheme. Now, if you have been following my content for a long time, you know that I was in the Air Force for, you can see there, you got some of my stuff in the shadow box there. But I was in the military for 5 years. I did 3 tours overseas, over in Afghanistan and Iraq, worked as a civilian contractor for a short stint, and I worked with aircraft out there. So one of the things that I really liked about this gray color is that if you ever look at a C-17, a C-5, C-130 gunship, you know, you got the A-10 Warthog, any military aircraft that you will see is gonna have this gray color scheme. And that's something that I really thought of when I wanted to get something that would reflect me. And not only that, your boy is a Raider fan. So if you know me and you've been following my content, been following the IG, you know your boy is Raider Nation all day. It just made sense to go with the gray color scheme. For some backstory on this, I'll include some pictures down here, but we've been in the works on this since May 17th. So May 17th, I know he had shot me the idea before about getting an influencer edition clipper, and I just thought, you know, before, you know, in passing, it was just conversation. And then he really asked me one time, like, you know, what clipper would you want to do it with? What color scheme would you want? You know, download this app here and get the actual color palette and figure out what color exactly that you want to throw on the clipper. What color do you want the guard? So everything kind of just started rolling, and I started, you know, I drew up an idea on a photo editing app that I had, and then I sent that to him. Then he got the 3D rendering, and then he had the actual sample of the clipper, and things just started to roll and roll and roll. So I'm just humbled that, you know, we're here on August 28th. This has been in the works since May 17th, and it's finally here. You know, everything came into fruition. Everything, you know, happened the way it had to happen. So I'm thoroughly grateful for this opportunity. So if you want to support a barber, support barber business, you know, I will be getting a good chunk of the proceeds for this clipper. You know, he's looking out for barbers. He looked out for Dr. Barber. He's looking out for myself, and you know, that's just one. That's a dope thing. Barbers helping barbers. A barber company actually putting money into the hands of a barber. So if you've been rocking with your boy, if you've been messing with me, stay on the lookout. These should be dropping, like I said, late September on Amazon and probably the website as well. I'm not too sure yet, but I know for sure it's going to be on Amazon.com. I will have a link ready for all that when we get to the drop time, but it will be late September. I'm just, like I said, look at that. That's crazy. Jayblends. That's upside down. Jayblends Influencer Edition. It's just crazy to me right there. Jayblends Influencer Edition trimmer. Not trimmer, clipper. I'm just excited. I'm thoroughly excited. I'm at a loss for words almost. You know, it's just extremely humbling. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me on this journey. I appreciate TPOB for giving me this opportunity. You know, it's a huge thing. So if it wasn't for everybody on YouTube and Instagram, you know, I really wouldn't be where I'm at. Y'all's support is what makes me want to continue to do this stuff, to continue to make content, continue to thrive, to reach the next level. So I'm just thoroughly just grateful for this opportunity. So here is the actual clipper again, and here's the guard, and you can see how the guard slips onto the clipper there, clips in there, nice and easy. And I really dig this lime green color. I love the color scheme. There it is on. Very quiet clipper, like I said. And once again, the Jayblends on the blade there. At the very beginning of this video, you've seen that I had to go share this moment with my wife and my mom and dad. My mom and dad have been great support system. My wife especially. My wife's, you know, she's the one behind the scenes, you know, that's sacrificing a lot of time with her husband, you know, for me to be doing all the things that I do. But you know, my game plan is to, you know, give my family a life, you know, with me in it more frequently as we get older. So I'm grinding hard because I'm in my lower 30s, and I just want to be able to coast, you know, and take a step back as my kids get older and not be in the shop as much as I am, and just want to afford myself more time. with my family. So this is a step in the right direction, and you know, I just can't wait to see what the future brings, and I cannot wait to see y'all with the Jayblends Influencer Edition behind y'all station. I cannot wait for that, to see all the people tagging me on their stories and the reels and all the pictures. You know, that it's gonna be dope. You know, so if you support your boy, you rock with me, let me know down in the comment section if you're gonna go and cop the Jayblends Influencer Edition when it drops. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Make sure y'all go follow The Pissed Off Barber on IG. Make sure you go follow Antisocial Barber Club on IG. Go follow TPOB Mobs on IG. Go follow myself at Jayblends_. And I'm just truly grateful for everybody that has been a support, especially my crew at the shop. You know, those guys, you know, they push me constantly to be a better barber, to constantly hone my skill. And you know, I'm just grateful for all those who've been in my corner. You know, it's been a long journey. TPOB has dropped a lot this year, so make sure y'all go cop something from TPOB. Go to thepissedoffbarber.com. Go use code Jayblends to save yourself 15% off, and support a barber. So I am gonna cut this video here. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 6K, 10K after that, and who knows after that, you know? Other than that, y'all have a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're at in the world. God bless.